AIMEILI gel polish, EC29, and it's a color changing. They're my favorite. So it looks like it goes from purple to white. So now I'm always careful that I don't get it on the edges, and I want to make sure that I do thin layers. And I think my hands are kind of warm. It is warm here. I'm in Canada, and it's like 28 degrees outside right now, so it's a little warm. Thankfully we have air conditioning. So just want to make sure I'm able to get some glitter. How cool is that? One nice thing about this with the glitter and everything in, you don't actually need to do anything on top of it. Like, you don't have to do any nail art at all. It's only your personal choice. So I had a little piece of glitter that was sticking off the end of my nail, so I just pushed it up. Okay. So let me cure this, and I'll be One thing I love about the thermal polishes is because my nails are a little longer, so the tips will always be darker, and I'm actually just loving this glitter. So glitter and thermal polish is so awesome. I've got cold and hot water. So this is the cold, and look, that's so gorgeous. And then warm. I just love the way the glitter just peeks through. If you only do part of your nails, gives you a cool, pretty gradient look.